Hello rail fans and modelers, this is Railman here, and today we will be reviewing the Southern Pacific F3A unit. I don't exactly have the B unit quite yet, but I plan on getting it at some point. Now this locomotive is DCC in sound. I actually installed the DCC decoder and the sound decoder by myself because I was bored and I wanted to tinker around with something, so I did. And I put Digitrax SDH166 in it. I switched it over to diesel because it has a dual steam diesel mode. And I switched it over to diesel, and I think it sounds pretty good. So let's get right into the review. Alright, so I got the locomotive fired up. It's a little quiet, and I don't have a light because I couldn't fit it in there. There wasn't enough room exactly for it. So I'm just gonna remain without a light. Let's start off with the bell. Alright, that's the bell. Let's do F2, which is the horn. Alright, F3 is the coupler slack. To me it sounds more like shoveling coal. I don't know, I guess the Digitrax has their ways. F4 is revving it up. Just a little bit, F5 is the fans going off. Don't know what F6 is. F7 is the brake passing horn. So, yeah, I've got some daylight cars here to match the locomotive. So, yeah, I'll run those behind it and see how it, alright, so next we're going on to the details. Right here, up in front we have Southern Pacific lines. Now this F3 is in the daylight scheme. We don't have a front coupler here, but I can put one in. Originally this was a DC locomotive and it had a light in it. The light actually activated the number boards, but I don't have a light. So I'm just gonna leave those be. It actually says 354 as the locomotive is on the number boards, but it's kind of hard to see. Next up we have two cab figures. We've got an engineer and a brakeman. Moving on to the top, we've got the dual horns. We've got some fans. Got two windows here. Southern Pacific in pretty good paint. 354. And moving on to the back, we've got a little door, I guess, and a horn hook coupler, because the horn hook coupler is actually kind of funny because it's kind of like drilled into the locomotive, so I couldn't really find a way to get it out to switch it to a knuckle. So I just left that as it was and then put a horn hook on here and then knuckles on the other, so just got my transfer car right here. Alright, sorry for the inconvenience guys, but I can't exactly run it around the layout quite yet because the inner track is not yet powered and the outer track is having some issues. Obviously the layout is still going under some major restorations and some cleaning that I still have to do. So for now, I'll just run it back and forth on this little strip of track just to give you an example of what it runs like. Alright, so there's just a little example of how it runs. So yeah, sorry for the pretty big inconvenience. After I do some stuff to the layout, I'll make it up to you guys and have a lot of stuff like running around. As you can see, the daylight cars over there kind of derailed as I was testing this out. So I'm just gonna leave them be for now. I'll go get them in a minute. But sorry for the inconvenience. I'll see you guys later. Stay cool and stay on track. See you later.